Power on the battery. Push at least 3 seconds. And wait about 13 seconds. Before power on, please make sure you have the default Wi-Fi. When the robot boot up, it will find the default Wi-Fi and try to connect Wi-Fi. If it connects, it will show the IP address on the screen. Now you can enable AI mode. The screen will blink 1 or 2 times and wait for 15 seconds. It will show hello world. Okay, now it already on AI mode. Hello?
Hello there, it's nice to meet you. What can I do for you today?
Okay, now the mode is the talk mode. You can communicate with the robot. But it can.
You are absolutely correct.
Now we can go to movement
My
mode.
master, here I come.
Touch the 2 screens at the same time.
That's great. It's always helpful to have 2 screens when working.
You can see the screen already shows a yellow eye.
Yes, I can see the yellow eye.
Look up.
Okay, my master, look up immediately.
Look left.
Okay, my master, look left immediately.
Come here.
My master, here I come.
Okay, you can.
Okay, no problem. I'm here if you need anything.
Disable AI mode.
Okay, I have disabled AI mode.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me anymore? Okay, already disabled the AI mode.